Okay, in this video, I want to talk about how to install AutoCAD on your PC. Now, this is mainly for students. Now, 2-3 years back, AutoCAD launched their free version or a student version, which is freely available for at least 3 years for students. So you can take benefit of that. So what you have to do is go to Google and just search for Autodesk student. Okay, and there you will get the option Autodesk student community free software and resources. And this is basically Autodesk website where you can log in with your student account and download whatever software they are making available for free. So here you need to sign in. So if you are not signed in, you can sign up with your student ID. Okay, I have already my account, so I am just using that account to log in. Okay, and yeah, so I have logged in now. So where you will find the free softwares, this is the free software for students, for student version. Okay, so these are the software which AutoCAD offers for students under their student license. So here you can go with the AutoCAD. Right now we are taking AutoCAD, so you can just go to AutoCAD. Okay, then what you can do is you can sign in. If you are not signed in, there will be sign in option here. You can sign in with your account, then choose the version. Now generally AutoCAD offers previous 3 versions. Okay, so now I am signing in. So I am having that auto student account, so I am signing in from my student account. So you can use your MES IDs, all the students, and select the version. Now generally AutoCAD offers previously launched 3 to 4 versions. Okay, depending upon your capacity of your system, you can decide what kind of versions you want to select. Okay, what we are learning is very basic AutoCAD, so you can go the least possible version. So here 2018 is available, so I am just selecting 2018. Depending upon your configuration, you can go with the higher versions also. The recently launched version is also available, that is 2021, which is some days back they have launched. Okay, so I am selecting 2018 for now. Then you have to select the operating system, either 32-bit or 64-bit. Generally most new systems are with 64-bit operating system. If you don't know it, you can just search for my computer or this PC or Windows 10 and go with the properties. Okay, just a second, you can go to the PC, this PC, right click, and you can just go to properties. In properties it will show the type of system. So my system is 64-bit, so I have to select 64-bit there. So I will just select 64-bit. Language English, and it will generate a serial code and a size. Okay, so what you can do is you can download this. Okay, this will download a file, a small file .exe. After double clicking on that file, the actual download will start, which will somewhere around 1.8 or 2 GBs. So you need an internet connection for that. And once that setup is complete, AutoCAD will be installed on this system. Now two things here we have to make sure: this downloaded version is assigned with the login status. Okay, so whatever login ID is there, the serial key is with that login ID. So you cannot use that file or that setup file in any other system. Okay, your sign in login and serial key is already assigned for this file. Okay, so just make sure you are using that file only, and also the same serial key and other details will be sent on your mail. Okay, So you can check your mails also. You will receive a mail from Autodesk about the serial key and login ID. I'm not installing again the system because already I have this. Okay. So this is how you can install the AutoCAD student version for your system. If you have any queries, you can just contact me. There is a mail ID with my channel. Also, you can comment on the video. I will try to solve those queries. Okay. Thank you.